Okay, now bring on today's trade. Today's Friday, and yeah, so you might have just seen the last video, and this is a continuation from the last video, just a different trade, so a different recap, and we smashed it today. I'm very happy with how I played today. I'm very happy with the TP. I'm happy on execution. It was just a great trade overall. We managed to make $3,400 today, which is amazing to even say that number. But yeah, let's get into it and how I found the trade. So we came into this today, dumped in Asia, and as we opened London, we had swept the Asian highs. And another confluence was that on the 1 hour, we had equilibrium from the top of the move to the bottom. And we can see we tapped equilibrium and held it twice. So we held it here. Although we didn't really tap it, we got really close. So that's still me counting it as well as holding it here. So you can see we held it here. If you want to call it a bit of an SR flip, support and resistance flip, I don't use that, but you can call it that if you wish. But yeah, we held equilibrium here perfectly, and it was a sweep and a session sweep. So it was a session sweep, equilibrium, and a hourly sweep or high side liquidity, whatever you want to call it. So then we knew that the 4 hour was down because we were looking for shorts, and we knew that the 1 hour was up. So we didn't want him to execute on the 15 minutes. And on the 15 minutes, we can see we clearly broke structure here. And if I had moved, or if I had just entered purely based of break of structure, my risk reward wouldn't have been the best. It would have been a 1.8 risk reward. But as you can see, we did enter a bit higher, and I'll explain how we got that. So we had this 15-minute fair value gap just here, and we pumped up into it. If we just have a look, we pumped up into it, and as you can see right here, we broke structure just here on these two candles. And that's when I entered, and it got me a risk reward of 2.4. I did go more than 1% risk on this trade purely because I wanted to be a bit higher risk today, because I was just happy with the position and happy overall with how the week had been going for me. So I went a bit deeper risk. I think I was risking 1.5% on this trade, and I made $3,400. And yeah, I was risking 1.5k, 1.5%. And for the TP, so I'd explained how I entered, and for the TP, there was a few liquidity sweeps that I wanted to get swept. This one, I thought we could have swept yesterday, but we couldn't even manage to sweep this one. So I kind of knew that we were going to go this low, purely because we didn't manage to sweep this one. So the market was coiling up for a move even lower. So, and yeah, I got it bang on right. We had this sweep, which the market didn't react at all. We then had this sweep where I think the market reacted a little bit. If we go on to the 15 minutes, or let's say 5. Yeah, market reacted a bit. We got a bit of a move up and then just straight back down. A bit of consolidation, right back down again. And this is where my TP was, which was the final sweep, where the market reacted pretty well. And as you can see, we're reversing right now. We have got another sweep, but it's just too late in the day for me to trade. Even if it wasn't too late, I've already profited enough from the market today. It's probably best I walk away. But yeah, that was my final sweep, and we got it. Hit TP and happy days. From an emotional point of view, I think I dealt with emotions and handled emotions really well with this trade. There's not much else to say about it. It was a really good trade. And yeah, it's one of those where you just use liquidity to your advantage and win, as long with as well as other confluences. I don't know why English left the chat there, but yeah, apart from that, there's not much else to say about it. I hope you guys got some from this trade recap, and yeah, thank you for watching.